Q8347. A high surge of current is required when a DC electric motor is first started. As the speed of the motor increases, A. The counter EMF decreases proportionally. B. The applied EMF increases proportionally. C. The counter EMF builds up and opposes the applied EMF, thus reducing the current flow through the armature. The correct answer is C. When a DC electric motor is first started, it experiences a high surge of current. This is because initially, the motor is at rest, and there is no back EMF, counter-electromotive force, generated. As a result, the full supply voltage is applied across the motor, causing a high current flow through the armature. However, as the motor starts to rotate and its speed increases, a back EMF is generated due to the motor's motion. The back EMF is induced in the armature windings and is in the opposite direction to the applied voltage. The magnitude of the back EMF is proportional to the speed of the motor. Q8348. Alternators, AC generators, that are driven by a constant speed drive, CSD, mechanism are used to regulate the alternator to a constant A. Voltage output, B. Amperage output, C. Hertz output. The correct answer is C. Alternators, also known as AC generators, that are driven by a constant speed drive, CSD, mechanism are used to regulate the alternator to a constant Hertz, frequency, output. A constant speed drive mechanism is designed to maintain a consistent rotational speed of the alternator, regardless of the varying load conditions. This is important because the output frequency, Hertz, of an alternator is directly proportional to the rotational speed. Q8349. What is used to polish commentators or slip rings? A. 00 sandpaper. B. Stiff bristle brushes. C. Emery clothes. The correct answer is A. 00 sandpaper, which is an extremely fine grit sandpaper, is used to gently polish the surface of the commutators or slip rings. The fine abrasive particles on the sandpaper help to remove dirt, oxidation, and any unevenness on the surface. It allows for precise control over the polishing process and helps to restore a smooth and clean surface. When using sandpaper for polishing, it is important to be cautious and gentle to avoid damaging the commutators or slip rings. Care should be taken to avoid excessive force or rough movements that could cause further damage. Q8350. If a generator is malfunctioning, its voltage can be reduced to residual by actuating the A. Rheostat, B. Generator master switch, C. Master solenoid. The correct answer is B. By actuating the generator master switch, the generator can be disconnected from the electrical system, reducing its voltage output to residual levels. This is an important safety measure in case of generator malfunction or maintenance. Q8351. If the points in a vibrator-type voltage regulator stick in the closed position while the generator is operating, what will be the probable result? A. Generator output voltage will decrease. B. Generator output voltage will not be affected. C. Generator output voltage will increase. The correct answer is C. When the points in a vibrator-type voltage regulator stick in the closed position, it prevents the regulator from controlling the generator's output voltage. As a result, the generator output voltage will continue to increase, potentially reaching dangerously high levels.